YouTube, what it do, guys? It is Hunter here. Welcome back to another video. Today is a trading video. Like I said, you guys are gonna see me upload more of the trading content. So today we're gonna be talking about trade number 3, the current update, and then we're also gonna talk about today's trade session, why I didn't take no trade, what was the reason behind it, what was the psychology, etc., etc. So let's get into the meat and potatoes. So I don't know if you guys can see in the background, but I have this take profit and the take profit box, the long and short box, as you guys can see, like every other trader uses. And then the arrow showed the trade that I took yesterday. So it was trade number 3. I'm gonna pop it up in the screen right here. I'm also gonna show the log and then how much profit we made via paper trade, by the way. This is not real money. We're still paper trading, just to let you know. So my goal right now with it is to continuously log our actual trades, at least 20 of them, to get real life data so we can get funded. You know, that is the end goal for this, and that's why I'm documenting this as I go. So trade 3 went very well. We took it last Friday when I made that video at the beach, and we were holding position over the weekend, and whilst that was going on, I was working 2 back-to-back freaking shifts at the job, right? So yeah, for trade 3, it was just 2 weeks of just stalking the setup, 2 weeks of just no trade at all, waking up at like 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., waking up at 9 a.m. every day and waiting until 12 p.m. to find a session. And it's really all thanks to using the AI prompt Claude. That's what's helped me do theoretical math when it comes to doing these trades, marking the levels as you guys can see in the background. I don't have the actual setup yet with my computer on my desk where I want to screen record it and start showing you guys our actual live sessions. Excuse me. So I'm not like messing around with it. But yeah, we made $1,172 in paper money profit. We risked about 1% of the account, which is like a simulation of a 50K eValve account that we're doing. So we're using the same discipline, same mindset of just repeating the same process. And I'm starting to realize something about this trading thing is how much consistency is important. It's very important when it comes to this because you're just repeating the same routine, but then you're getting better and improving each and every day with it. Let's get into why I didn't trade today. What was the reason? So the reason why I didn't trade today was because the setup wasn't there. And then of course, my first TP target for trade 3 was actually at 4,024. Let's see where gold is at right now. Gold is at 4,025. So it's pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see in the background, it pretty much hit my TP target that I was originally supposed to have instead of having my TP target right here. You know what I mean? So that was the reason why I didn't take the trade today, because the move already happened without me. And that does happen in trading, guys. A lot of average traders, including myself when I started, would chase a trade. We would chase the setup, or we would just take a trade out of pure boredom. That is not how you do it. And you won't become successful because of that. What do I think of trade 3? I was doing my best to contain me overreacting and make sure, like, to remind myself and to remind any other trader that it doesn't matter if it's a win, if it's a loss or no trade, there's no emotion to it. You log it as real data. And I didn't realize, guys, like, well, not realize, but journaling, like I said, is most important. So I made sure I journaled this week's session. I also journaled why I didn't take the trade today. And I always, another important rule of thumb that I had to learn, instead of just journaling mindlessly, is also screenshot the chart. You know what I mean? Screenshot it on your phone, screenshot on the laptop, and you will get there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much for today's both sessions. I will probably pop up the other one in the middle of this video because it's already going for like 4 minutes. So this is just like a little quick summary of how the trade went, what did we do, what was the process, and stuff like that. Yeah, so far, yo, with this trade thing, I am starting to get the hang of it slowly but surely. You know what I mean? So we logged 3 of them so far. One was a win, it was really small. The second one was a loss, but the setup was great. And the third one, set up, everything lined up exactly as anticipated, as it's supposed to. And then boom, took the trade. And then I kept my time busy with my other jobs. So I'm actively making income at my jobs that I work at whilst this is playing in the background. So it's like, boom, look at that. Like, this is what I'm saying, chat. Yeah, like, I really don't know what else to say for this video. That's pretty much all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was a great one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.